7 minus 5 equals 2, and 2 times 5 equals 10, and 10 divided by 2 equals 5. But this answer is completely wrong because we didn't follow the order of operations, PEMDAS. PEMDAS is an acronym that shows the order of operations in math. P stands for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Operations inside parentheses and exponents are done first, then multiplication/division, and finally addition/subtraction from left to right. Multiplication and division, as well as addition and subtraction, have equal priority. Thank you for staying with us until now. By subscribing and liking, you give us the energy to create even better content. Before solving, we should explain that in this expression we have multiplication, division, and subtraction. According to the order of operations, PEMDAS, multiplication and division have priority and are done from left to right. Therefore, we first calculate 5 times 5, which equals 25, and then 25 divided by 2 equals 12.5. Finally, 7 minus 12.5 equals minus 5.5. That's all for this one. Join our growing community by subscribing today. Let us know in the comments what you want to see next.